Today I'm at the Manufactured Housing Show in Biloxi, Mississippi, and behind me is the Mckenna from Champion Homes. What we're looking at here is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in 1,930 square feet. Lots to talk about here. Let's check it out. All right, let's check out the Mckenna, starting with this covered porch that gives this section of the home a little bit more character. So again, what we're working with here is 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,930 square feet. Let's have a look. Nice covered porch with the built-in pot lights there. They've got the vertical vinyl siding, and as you enter in, you kind of got this little backstop so that you know you're in the entrance. You're not drowning in some huge space when you enter the home, but when you come around this way, things really open up. We've got the dining room here with 3 windows on the outside wall. You've got a 4th there created by that covered porch. You've got the accent on the ceiling, and dining room opens up into the kitchen with a massive island. Check out these lights. That's not something you see every day. So, tell me what you think about this layout. So on this section, they've got the stove with very cool looking vent up above that. They've got a drawer cabinet combo on either side and a little bit of prep space as well. We'll get a look at the inside of this island, but before we do that, let's check out the storage around the fridge. So they've got a bank of 3 cabinets here, one on top of the other. They've got the typical above fridge cabinet, dishwasher, kind of a butcher block counter. I like that. Nice big sink here with the window behind. Kind of the glassy look tile, which has been popular at this show, before coming to an upper cabinet that has 3 shelves for all the stuff you want to shelve. A couple drawers here with a big cabinet down below. And before I forget, let's see what's on the inside of the island. So, drawer cabinet. They've got the microwave there with a drawer down below, a bank of 2 pots and pans drawers there, and another combo there. So on the end of the kitchen, they've got this pantry which has a window in it. Drink that in. That's not something you see every day, but I do like it because there's no lights on in here right now and it's a non-issue. I could turn them on, but I don't have to if I don't want to. Now, from the kitchen, going back across, we head into the dining space. And this is kind of unique. So typically, they'll have the TV above the fireplace. Not the case here today. They've got its own wall, bit of a feature wall there, and the fireplace is in this corner, electric. And you've got the mantle for a family portrait and some candles. This is actually my first time in the home, so I'm discovering it all as we go. But as I head down the hallway, I think this is going to be so I was going to say linen closet, but it's more of a storage closet because it doesn't have the shelves of a linen closet. Second door on the left is a bathroom. We've got the double sinks here with 4 drawers in the middle, 2 mirrors up above, and then through this door, you've got the tub, the toilet, and towel storage. This is kind of cool. So someone can be in the tub and another person can still be getting ready in this section because they are separated. Across from this, a place to hang a few things between the 2 bedrooms. I wonder if it's going to have it. Yeah. No, it doesn't. I was wondering if this is going to be a bathroom like I saw in one of the other models from Champion, but it is not. So it is a bit of a walk-in closet, somewhere between a standard closet and a full walk-in. That's bedroom 2. Bedroom 3 is a mirror of that. And at the end of the home, another entrance and the laundry room. So a couple open shelves here, place for washer dryer there, shelf up above for laundry related things, and a 3-door cabinet right beside that. That means we save the best for last. We're gonna go back through the kitchen. Boom. We're gonna look at the dining room one more time. Might as well get one look at the living room because I didn't mention the ceiling fan or the 3 windows on the side wall before we get into, oh wow, there's lots going on down here. So I believe this is the main bedroom, but it's so big. I gotta get my bearings. Okay, so the main bedroom opens into the ensuite. They've got a big soaker tub here with kind of a brick colored glassy tile on the outside wall. Nice wide window there. Got the vanity with the double sinks, 2 mirrors, 2 sets of door cabinets, and the bank in the middle. Then, similar setup down here. They've got the closed off section. That's what I mean. They got the door into the space that is home to the shower, toilet, and towel storage. Interesting. There's one more space that I noticed over here. I'm guessing it is a walk-in closet. Wow, and what a walk-in closet it is. Built-in cabinet over there. You could almost sit on that if you wanted to. It's almost a bench style. I do wonder if that's what it's designed for. Who wouldn't want, I would put a little cushion on there, and then I would have somewhere to sit and put on my socks in the morning. So you've got shelving going all the way around with places to hang your clothes as well. A hook for your cowboy hat. Doubles up on this side. And then once we get on this wall, you will see another open cabinet section here. So there's 4 spaces there. What am I missing? Okay, that is in fact the entire main bedroom. One last look at this space here. Let me know what you think. It's a cool layout. For those curious, here's a look at the floor plan, which is always the perfect opportunity to like the video and maybe even subscribe to the channel. While you're doing that, I'm going to get into the pricing. Again, we're looking at 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, nice big laundry room in the Mckenna, and it has a starting price of $160,000. If you need more time with the floor plan, feel free to pause it here because I'm moving on. There you have it, folks. The Mckenna from Champion Homes. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in 1,930 square feet. I hope you enjoyed the tour. That is it for me here at the Biloxi Manufactured Housing Show. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next